I'm back again with another scale exercise, which is part of the Hanon series, and specifically exercise number 59, which deals in its entirety with scale exercises. And today we're doing the A major scale. The A major scale has three accidentals. We have F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. So quite an easy one to play, only three black keys, C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp, that we'll be taking note of. Again, before we start with this, if you like what I'm doing with scales and with the music, and if it is helping you, please remember to subscribe and like the video, leave a comment below, and watch out for any future tutorials coming your way. Let's get started. First, we'll have a look at the one octave hands separately and together. Starting with my right hand, I'm going to start on A, and I'm going to play standard scale fingerings: A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and A. And then I'm going to come back down the same way, remembering after my thumb, my third finger is going to go over. For the left hand, starting on my fifth finger, remembering the C sharp, third finger over to F sharp and your G sharp, coming back down the same way, and then of course we'll be doing it hands together, coordinating nicely. For the one octave A major scale. Moving on to two octaves, we'll be copying and pasting those fingers, just remembering to reset with our second octave with both our thumbs. Right hand first. Reset, thumb. Fourth finger over, third. Left hand. And then hands together. We just have to remember where our accidentals is and when to put under or over the thumb or third and fourth finger. Of course, because this is part of Hanon, we'll be playing this 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. At the end, we have the optional cadence. I would always recommend that you also practice the cadence, since it helps you learn about harmony and chord progression. Having a look there, when we get to the bottom, we're going to end on A. We're going to come up to D in the left hand, an octave, and we're going to have in the right hand, we're going to have B, F sharp, and A, 1, 3, and 5. We're going to go up to E in the left. We're going to have thumb on C sharp, second finger E. Finally, we're going to have that big jump down to E. We're going to have a little bit of a hand swap in the right. G sharp, E, D, and B. And And finally, we're going to come up again to A in the left, and this time we're going to have A, C sharp, E, A sharp. That completes the cadence for the A major. Thanks for watching and happy practicing.